are you doing?
Hi, Molly. I'm drawing a map of our city for school.
Wow, that looks nice. What places did you put on the map?
A lot. Look, here's the school. It's next to the park.
Oh yes, I love the park. There are so many trees and flowers.
Right, and this is the hospital. It's near the fire station.
The fire station is so cool. I love the red fire trucks.
Me too. Over here is the square in the cathedral. My family and I go there on Sundays.
Oh, I like the cathedral. There's a restaurant there. Their pizza is so good.
Yes, and look, here's the supermarket. I always go there with my mom.
Me too, and I love the bookshop near the supermarket. They have nice storybooks.
Yes, I like it too. This is the cinema. It's next to the zoo.
Wow, the zoo is my favorite. I love seeing the lions and monkeys.
Me too. And next to the zoo, there's the swimming pool. Do you like swimming?
Yes, I love swimming, especially in summer.
Look, this is the aquarium. It's full of colorful fish.
I love the aquarium. The dolphins are so funny.
And here is the library. I go there to read books every week.
That's great. The library is near the stadium, right?
Yes, it is. I go to the stadium with my dad to watch football matches.
Me too. And look, here's a theater. We watched a play there last month.
Oh yes, it was fun. Next to it is the museum. I love looking at the old things.
Me too. And this is the train station. It's so big.
Look, I even drew the pedestrian crossing and the traffic light.
Good job. The street lamps are important too, especially at night.
And don't forget the bus stop. It's where we take the bus to school.
Did you draw the pharmacy too?
Yes, the pharmacy is next to the hospital. We go there to buy medicine if someone is sick.
That's very important. Your map looks great, Ollie.
Thank you, Molly. Let's visit some of these places this weekend.
Great idea.